Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You've got your school Google account ready. Now open the calendar event and click the Meet link. When the preview appears, grant camera and microphone permissions so Meet can access them. Test audio by speaking and watching the sound meter, and test video to confirm framing and lighting. Once done, choose a quiet spot and connect a headset to reduce echo. Make sure to join 2 to 5 minutes early so you can fix issues without missing class content. Once inside the meeting, manage your presence with the mute and camera controls so classmates don't hear background noise. Toggle them quickly as needed. If you present, click Present Now and select a window, tab, or full screen. Share system audio for videos so classmates hear sound. Use captions for clarity, open chat for questions, and the People panel to pin the instructor or switch to tiled view to follow multiple students. These tools help to finish, stop presenting, then click Leave or End Call so the session closes cleanly. This prevents accidental sharing. After class, access the recording or shared files via the calendar event or Google Drive and check chat for links or assignments. If something goes wrong, like no camera or mic, reload the Meet tab first, verify browser and operating system permissions, and restart the browser or device if needed. If problems persist, try a different USB port or a simple headset as a quick workaround.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.